Namaste. Today I am going to talk about snoring. Snoring happens when one can't move air freely in nose and throat during sleep. Muscle tone decreases. We can tone up these muscles with these exercises. Inhale, contract the throat passage and release. 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 Do it at least 20 times. Swallow the saliva without moving the tongue while pressing the palate and tongue together. Massage the throat with the tip of the tongue for 2 minutes. For this you will have to practice for some days and you will get it. So fold the tongue and massage the throat. Create the hissing sound with deep inhalations and complete exhalations. Chant E. Place your palm on the throat. Inhale deeply and chant. E. 20 times. Inhale deeply and chant makar, humming sound. It will rejuvenate the nasal passage, throat and the brain. Mm. 20 times. Singh Mudra. Twenty times. Learn Jalneti and Sutraneti from some expert, which is very effective for snoring. Reduce the weight in case you are obese. Thank you. Namaste.